Hello. Above me is a statue of a pelican. The word pelican comes from the ancient Greek noun pelekios, meaning axe or hatchet, and a pelican was called a pelican because it apparently resembles an axe. That long beak that it has apparently looks something like the blade of an axe. What do you think? Do you think it resembles an axe? Zoom in on that pelican.